welcome back to the vlogs, and let's get right into it. This one is going to be more for my dogs. I call it a dog vlog. So we're going to do a taste test, see what they like, see what they don't like. She is not really picky, so I'm not too worried about her, but I know he's probably going to spit out like, I don't know how many things I got, but he'll spit out a couple of them. Alright, let's go. Alright, so these are the snacks that I got for them. I got bacon, I got fruits, I got vegetables, I got cheese, and I got chicken. So, let's see what they like. Alright, first up is lettuce. Here you go. Here. Alright, lettuce is a no. Next up, we'll go carrots. Sit. Sit. Hey. Sit, guys. Sit. Eat it. Picky paws. Alright, next I think we'll go with blueberries. Hey. Sit. I don't even know why I bother with my nose. Alright. Next. Rhino, come here. Rhino, get back in the camera. So Mia did good. She ate the blueberries. But let me give her the last one too. Here, eat this too. Good girl. Rhino, come here. Alright, next is kiwi. Alright, come here. No, don't eat that. Sit. 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 Kiwi, no? At least try it, Rhino. Oh. That's a good girl, Mia. Rhino, I don't know what's gotten into you. Alright, next, apple. Come on, guys. You like apple? You like apple. Don't act like, oh my god. Here. Alright, I guess Mia's gonna finish the apple. Now something that you both are gonna like. You're gonna go with rice cakes. Sit. No. I need you to sit. Sit. Mia. Sit. Good girl. There's the rice cake. Or just go off camera. So Rhino's off camera, but he does like it. Rhino, come here. And more rice cake. So this is not what I was expecting. Rhino, come here. Here, finish the rice cakes, guys. Here, baby girl. There you go. Good girls. Alright. I hope you guys are still hungry because I got bacon. Sit. Rhino, sit. Stop flexing. Ow! Okay, just take the bacon from me. Obviously they like bacon.
Oh, Mia dropped it.
Did you really?
Yeah, Rhino just picked it up.
Wow. For the next one is going to be Rhino's favorite, and that's cheese sticks. Isn't that right, Rhino? You're going to go with cheese sticks. Sit. I need both of you to sit. Rhino. Sit. Good boys. Good girl. Not bad. There you go. Oh. And the last one, the one that you both love, is chicken. Let's see it. There, finish these rice cakes too. So obviously that went pretty well with Mia. Rhino is not Rhino's not really good at choosing the foods that he wants, but oh well. Here. Switch it up.
Mia.
Man. Alright guys, it was a little quick, but these are very anxious puppies. But I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. You guys got anything to say? Was it good? Was it good? Picky dog. Was it good? Alright, well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.